Hello dears, how are you? Hope you're fine. Are you okay? I hope so. Okay, let's start our new unit, and it's unit 4, and it's titled as let's look at shadow. Let's look at shadow. And as always, we have to start with the vocabulary to get the new vocab before starting and reading the story. So are you ready? Let's go for it. The first word we have is, can you see? What can you see here? There's an arrow which is pointing to shadow. It's shadow. And it's a noun. Shadow is a noun, and it means a dark area appears when you are on opposite side of the light. A dark area appears when you are on an opposite side of the light. Again, shadow. Example. You can see your shadow in a sunny day. You can see your shadow in a sunny day. This is the shadow, and it's a noun. Next is, it's also a picture where the arrow is pointing to the leaves are falling down on the ground. It's a noun. It means the solid surface of the earth. The solid surface of the earth. Ground. Example. Yellow and orange leaves are on the ground. Yellow and orange leaves are on the ground. Ground. Again, the solid surface of the earth. The solid surface of the earth. And it's a noun. Next one is, can you see this picture? I can see the cloud. It's usually a gray or white mass in the sky made of very small drops of water. Usually gray or white mass in the sky made of a very small drops of water. Cloud, and it's a noun. Example. There are clouds in the sky. There are clouds in the sky. Again, cloud. Next one. What can you see here? I can see a boy, and he is showing his body. Can you see it? It's body. Okay. And this boy is showing that his body is a strong one. He got muscles. Body is a noun. What does it mean? It means the physical structure, including the bones, flesh, and organs of a person or animal. Body is the physical structure, including the bones, flesh, and organs of a person or an animal. Example, the boy has a strong body. The boy has a strong body. So, do you have a strong body? How can you help your body to be a strong one? Ask yourself and give yourself an answer. So, I have a strong body. What about you? Next one is, what can you see in these pictures? There are many. I can see a clock, scissors, lamp, a rocket, basketball. I can see a camera. I can see many things. What are there? There are objects. An object is a noun. Object is a material thing that can be seen or touched. Again, object is a material thing that can be seen or touched. So, if you can touch the laptop, so it's an object. If you can see it, if you can see the cloud and touch it, then it's an object. So, object is a material thing that can be seen or touched. It's a material thing. Its synonym is thing. So object, again, synonym means the same meaning. Okay. Example. There are many objects in the box. Next one is, what can you see here? I can see many birds are shaped. They are shaped. These birds are shaped. What does it mean? It means having a particular shape. Shape mean having a particular shape. Can you see they are in a line? So they have a particular shape, and it's an adjective. Why is an adjective? As describing something. Synonym is formed. Again, shaped. Example: the shadows of birds are shaped like them. The shadows of birds are shaped like them. As you can see, they are shaped like a line, and their shadows too are shaped like a line. Next one. Can you see here? Can you see here? Can you see something? I can see this. The sun is shining. Can you see that? There is a great light in here. I can see the light and it's shining. Shining. So it's the word shining. Shining is an adjective, and synonym is. But before knowing the synonym, let's know first the meaning. Shining means sparkling. Shining means sparkling. Wow, and the synonym is sparkling too. Example: the weather is fine and the sun is shining. The weather is fine and the sun is shining. That's the meaning. And what's the synonym again? Sparkling. Sparkling. So sparkling and shining are adjectives, and they are describing the light that is shining. The sun is shining, the light is sparkling, whatever. Okay. Next one is I can see many places here. Wherever. Wherever. Wherever is an adverb, and it's to or in any or everywhere. To or in any or everywhere. Again, wherever is to or any or in any or everywhere. Example. Okay. We can meet wherever you want. We can meet wherever you want. So when you want to say that, when you want to not mention a specific name, a specific place, you can say wherever you want. So then we are done with the vocabulary. So now we are ready to read the story. Again, what's the title of this unit? Let's look at shadows. Let's look at shadows. Okay, let's read it. Look at this girl's shadow. Her shadow is shaped like hair. That's because her body stops the sun from shining on the ground. Sometimes your shadow is in front of you. Sometimes your shadow is in back of you. Sometimes your shadow is beside you. And if a cloud blocks the sunlight, you won't have a shadow. If the cloud blocks the sunlight, you won't have a shadow. Look at these shadows. Which object blocked the sunlight to make it shadow? Have fun looking at the shadows wherever you go. So, look at the shadows wherever you go and watch your shadow where you are moving or doing an action. That was this unit. That was the vocabulary and the story of unit 4. See you the next time. Bye.